Hi, this is lesson number 44 from our Photoshop training series. In this exercise, we are going to learn how to add realistic tree in our scene or in our image using predefined trees in Photoshop. Here I have an image, beautiful, bright, sunny day, and with a pathway, I am going to add some trees. In order to add tree, we need to create simple path using pen tool. Let's open the layer palette, and here we have our image. The first thing we need to create path using pen tool. In our toolbox here we have pen tool. You can also use a free form pen. I am going to use a regular pen. I will click and then press shift key and click, so it will be straight segment. And if I will click on the path palette, work path is created. We started our first point from the bottom. It is because Photoshop will assume the first point as a root. Same way we can add another path, but this time if we will click, Photoshop will continue this path. To create another path, we need to deselect this and add here new path, and this time if we want, we can create another path, and that path is on top layer, path 1. Control Z undo. So here we have basic path. At this point, if we want, we can add tree, but it will be part of the background scene. If we will go back to the layer palette, you can see the background is selected. To add independent tree, it is good idea to create new empty layer. Now layer 1 is selected and our path is also selected. Here we are on layer 1. Go to filter menu, point to render, and then click on tree. The tree dialog box is open, and base tree type, here we have different types of tree. Under that we have sliders. These are the different properties of the tree: leaf amount, light direction. According to your image, you can set leaf size, branches height, and even the thickness of the trunk you can change. So I am going to choose 27, that is Cypress 3. For now this property is okay, but if you want to change, you can set according to your specific need. Click OK. But now here we have path. If we want to remove or deselect this path, all what we have to do, we need to go to the path palette and click outside in this area, so you cannot see any more path. Let's go back to the layer palette. Layer 1 is having tree and it is independent. You can click on move tool, and wherever you want you can move it. Let's make it a little bit more realistic. Let me increase the size and match the color tone with our scene. Press Ctrl U. Hue saturation dialog box is open. You can also access from the image menu, image adjustment, hue and saturation, and here this way I am going to little bit match with the background image. Click OK. On trunk we have little bit bright brown. If we want, we can use burn tool. Here we have burn tool. Another thing, the base is really sharp. To make it a little bit more realistic, we can merge with the grass by adding mask. So select the layer, click on add layer mask. Using brush tool, we can make it smooth from the base, but make sure that the color is black. Click on move tool. Let's try to add shadow. The first thing, we need to make it selection. Press Ctrl key and click on this tree thumb. So here we have selection. We will fill this selection on the new layer. So click on the plus. So here we have empty layer. Let's change the color to dark gray. Alt backspace. Layer 2 is selected. I will press Alt backspace to fill this color. Ctrl D to deselect. Press Ctrl key and hold it from the top. Just place it this way. Hit enter. Let's change the mode to multiply, and we can reduce the opacity. We can add some blur amount. Click on filter menu, blur and Gaussian blur. That is more than enough, and click OK. Now this shadow layer is on the top of the tree. Just click and drag so it is behind. Select the both layers, right click and link layers. So now we can move wherever we want. To add more trees, we can just press Alt key, click and drag. But by pressing Alt key, once you will duplicate, the link broken. So right click and click on link layers. This time we are going to reduce the size. There is more efficient way with the perspective, but this time I'm just going to do it manually. By pressing Alt key, once again we are going to duplicate, reduce the size, bring it down, and that's all. So this is how you can add realistic tree in your scene, in your image using Photoshop. CorelDRAW and Photoshop full course playlist is also in the end screen. You can watch these series. Hope that will be helpful. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you like this video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload new video. Thank you.